Right, this one's having a bit of a play. It just won't grip it, but it just wants to run with it. I don't like this bit of bait. I'm changing bait. This bit of bait's not doing me. Change something. Get rid of that. Oh. Take this one off. Take this bit of head bait. So there we go. Got him. Got him. That's what it was. Hammy. Hammy. Grab by the hook. Hammy. There we go. Hold on. We're into her. Where away? Go again. Let me another one. Gotta get a big one. Got another one. Hey! Shake, rattle and roll, he goes. There's me back. A little bit bigger than the last one, but not by much. Or it's the same one, he's getting the feed. Oh, a garbage truck coming or something. In the distance, we'll go again. Oh, I missed that one. There you had you. Oh. Nibbles. Nibble, nibble, nibble. Right, he took it. Took the bait. He baited me, I reckon. Yeah. Right. Gotcha. Ah, bugger. Got off me that one. Oh yeah. Got off me. No, it's playing with me. We'll just let it go this one. Just let it go. It's wanting it. It's having a go, but it's not wanting the Got you this time. Oh, got off. Nearly had it. Nearly had that one. Come on. Got the blaze on it? Yeah, just got a little bit on it. No. This one's giving me the run around. This one, straight up, back on. Yeah, take it. Not just hock on it. I've just got bait on it. Still working it. It's got a fish on it, that's why. What is that? Look at the thing. How do you call that thing? Is that a puffer fish or... I don't know. We'll get off the hook. What the hell is it though? I don't know. I'll try to get it off the hook. Come on. I have no idea what that was. I think it was a puffer fish. Oh, I don't know. That's a bit... Any ideas below? Very different, that one. Very different.